Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to rev a BMW M4 easy method. Start the engine and let it idle until oil pressure is normal, then select Sport mode and disengage traction aids if safe. Hold the brake, gently increase throttle to a target like 500 RPM for a short blip, and release slowly to avoid over-revving. Always prioritize safety and legal roads when practicing these steps. Warm the engine fully before attempting any revs, at least until temperature gauge is steady. Practice a few light throttle blips at low RPM to get a feel for throttle response and clutch engagement if manual. For automatic cars, use brake hold or left foot braking to keep the car stationary while revving gently. Avoid redline and prolonged high RPM to prevent wear, and always respect noise and safety rules. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more easy car videos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles dust, tire grit, and shop crumbs with voice control, so your garage floor stays showroom clean while you tinker. Plus, it's amusing to watch a robot chase ball bearings. Check the description for the link and current deals. Now let's get back to the video. For experienced drivers, consider a controlled downshift to raise RPM smoothly and use heel toe when cornering on track days. If your M4 has launch control or rev matching, familiarize yourself with factory procedures to reduce mechanical stress. Always watch oil and coolant temperatures and stop if gauges climb. Regular maintenance keeps the valvetrain and turbo systems healthy, making revs cleaner and safer over time for both engine and driver enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.